Well, folks, here's a free boat that you probably don't want. And it looks like it's being scuttled. So we're going to check that out later. But immediately, let's take a look at some used boats. Here's Grampian 26. This is a review from Practical Sailor. But these boats are fantastic. If you want to stop the video and actually read what it says there, it gives a little history about where the Grampians came from. They were made in Oakville, Ontario, Canada. I have one, Grampian 26. It still floats beautifully. It doesn't leak a drop of water. They used to use a lot of fiberglass in the old days. Now, this is not one of those. This is the Blue Beauty. It is a boat that the current owner says is just taking up space. So there you go. And speaking of taking up space, how about this? So many people post things like this. Come and pick up your free boat. Well, that is kindling for a fire. That's not a boat. That's firewood. So be aware that there's lots of those free boats, and people leave messages all the time to me saying there's no such thing as a free boat. And that's very true, especially something like that. That is, look at it. It wouldn't float. No way. And I can't see anything worth saving on that. Nothing at all. It's too bad. Now, the next boat reads fairly well. However, that being said, by the way, this comes from Completely Free Boats, which is a Facebook page. And this one's in Tampa, Florida. It says it needs a lot of fiberglass work. Looks good from that angle. A transom was cut out, no motor. So as good as that boat looks, it's not that great. And here we are at Hurricane Boats. You can get some real bargains with Hurricane Boats. Just check out the link above, and we'll give you the full video on how to accept these Hurricane Boats. Now, this is not a free boat, okay? Not at all. It is a one-of-a-kind boat that was built in Denmark. It's currently in, well, I guess we used to call it Holland, but now we call it Netherlands. And it is like a full liveaboard, beautiful boat. So when we say free and also free, I mean, look at this woodwork. Oh, just a gorgeous liveaboard. And when you compare the price of houses, a liveaboard makes more and more sense. And quite often you're right downtown where you're moored, and the mooring fees are a fraction of what a rent of an apartment would be. And look at this, you get to live somewhere like this. Stern in, if you've noticed, all the European boats go stern in. You can get more boats in that way. Okay, so at any rate, this is the same boat. No, it's not. This is a new boat. Okay. Oh no, this is still in Beauclair, France. Okay, now this is a different boat. This has a pilot cabin, nice little sailboat. We have more information on that. That's the interior, looking from the main hatch. And now we're back to our boat that didn't float. And remember, I was saying that I kind of thought it was probably because it had issues. Notice all the wires being cut out. Everything of any value is being taken out of this boat. So I'm certain it's being scuttled. We can recycle our boats in most places here in North America, but in other places, there are no recycling facilities, so people literally do scuttle their boats. Right now, it is acting as a safe place for little fish, and probably you'll be able to see them in a couple of seconds. They seem to be around out there. There they are. They're just, it's a safe place for them to be, protecting them for larger fish, rather than be a canopy, so to speak. So anyway, thank you very much for viewing the video. We appreciate that greatly. Please subscribe and give us a thumbs up.